Right, ready?
Yeah.
Go on in. Is that good?
I'm going to do another one now.
Okay. Okay, ready when you are, Sunshine.
Ready.
Ready.
And go. Managed to do one. My turn. I'm going to do a full dive.
Right, go on then, Amy. You do one.
Here.
Come on, because the film's running.
Right, ready?
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 Steady, go. That hurt?
No.
Oh. Sounds like it might have done.
Oh, hang on, look, I'll bring it to the side. Bring it to the side a little bit, Matthew, first. Before you try and get it.
Here comes Katie.
Kick it.
You right there, Poppet?
Hey, go on, Katie.
Go!
Backwards, not forwards, mate.
We take
In the pool, yeah?
Okay. 10, 1, go!
His first ever backward flip.
Did you hurt yourself?
Out.
Ouch, yeah.
Did that hurt, mate?
Get out.
Did it hurt?
That hurt a little bit.
Did it sting?
Yeah.
Like getting a slap on the back, that, isn't it?
What you should do is do a forward one to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do a forward one to get rid of it. Goggles on. That's it.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Forward. That's it.
Oh. That hurts again.
What, on your front?
Yeah.
Did it? Try and do a rolling one then, 'cause they don't hurt, do they? Do a forward spinning one, mate. Matthew, yeah? Do a forward spinning one, 'cause they don't hurt, do they? Go for it, mate. Go for it. Flex your arms first. Yeah, go for it.
You're all right at the moment.
Go.
Go. Spin. That one hurt, Matthew?
No.
No, good boy.
My back. My front still hurts.
Does it? Oh, it'll go away soon. Yeah?
Rub it.
Yeah, we'll rub it, mate.
Towel.
Okay, mate.
Ready,
Ready, mate?
It's how you do it.
Put your hands
Go on
on your
then.
knees.
That's it. What? That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Now arms out. Now roll in. Head first.
That's it. Go. Roll.
Head first.
How you do it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go on in.
Go.
That's how you do it, Amy.
Okay. That's what you have to do.
Roll forward. Roll.
No.
Go on. Amy, quickly, because I'm going to run out of film in a minute.
Okay.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah. Roll.
That's it. And roll in.
Roll.
How was that?
Good.
There.
All right, we've got to work on that, haven't we?
Yeah.
There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Roll. Roll. Hey.
That's it, Amy. You're starting to get the hang of it now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hey?
Falling off a lot.
By Friday, you'll be doing it like Matthew does, yeah?
Oh, okay. Falling off a lot.
Oh my God.
Falling off a lot.
You right there, Katie?
Falling off alert.
A fallen off alert.
Oh, all right. Well done,
Yeah.
Amy. Uh-oh. Off alert. All right. Yeah. Ready? Steady. Go.
Wee.
You right, Poppet?
Yeah. Action!
Very good, mate. Well done.
Can I do a backflip?
Yeah?
Shall I do a better one then? Shall I do a better one than that?
Yeah, do a better one.
Daddy, when you're ready. Alright. Good girl. I'll hold you until you're ready to go. Tell me when you're ready. Ready, ready, steady, go! Go on, Katie, good girl, well done. Hey. Woohoo! Now swim back to me.
Okay.
Come on then.
Go. I got you. Okay.
Ready,
Go.
go. Swim, good girl, keep going. Good girl. Swim. Hey, well done.
Very good.
That's really good.
I could do this, look.
Go on then.
Very good.
Watching, yeah? Yeah. Well done! Only if you really want to. I think Daddy's run out back.
No, just keep doing it. You have to wiggle.
I'm just going to warm up this bit first. Oh shit! You're not videoing it.
Is it cold, Chaz?
That way.
Right, if you move up, we can get Amy on it as well.
Yeah.
We have Amy swimming in the rain. Aren't you, darling?
Yeah.
Is it nice in there?
Yeah. I can all to myself.
It's a good swimming pool, isn't it?
Yeah, I can all to myself.
Yeah, look at the view you've got.
Wow.
Great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, there, look at that. Eh? It's a stunning view we got, isn't it?
Oh, it's recording.
Recording, or is it a picture? Recording, is it? That is cold. Is it cold, Amy?
No.
Is it cold?
No.
I think it is.
No.
It's not cold.
Come on, Jace, this is going to be a very boring video. Come on.
Yeah, like Matthew. You're like Matthew if you don't get in.
Fresh, isn't it?
Well done, Daddy.
Keep moving.
Breathe.
Not that cold.
Not that bad. Come on, swim.
It's
Yeah.
not that cold, Daddy. Daddy, that's cold.
Oh, actually, I'm recording. Smile.
There you go, now to give away.